Hello again, thanks for tuning in for another of my videos. They're a bit more sporadic as time goes on, but it's finding the time these days to do these things. Had a little bit of a tidy up in the old man cave, so there's a few to show you that have arrived recently. So I just thought on the back today we'd have a little bit of Zeppelin stuff, which you don't very often get out. So all very nice multicoloured titles, multicoloured vinyls, and the Seattle 75 multicoloured box set. So these are some prized Zeppelins. But just quickly then have a run through of what's come in. Firstly, I don't have a lot of the original Floyd bootlegs. I don't collect black vinyl bootlegs anymore these days, but this came along and actually saw it when I was on holiday, so I couldn't believe seeing this in a shop in a little tourist town. The original live life pressing from, I think it's the Hamburg show, 1970. Single album black vinyl, but it's in great condition, and pleased to get that at a decent price. The next one is the new David Bowie Lost Rosado tapes. It's a beautiful box set, anonymous, got the Rosado label and catalogue number. From San Diego, September 74, and also LA, Universal Amphitheatre 74. So it's a triple album, and a 7-inch, 350 made. This is number 238. So it's never released recording, limited to 350 copies. So yep, I'll show you the inside of that. So the box basically opens like that, and then you have nice printed inside with the cassettes. So before I show you the vinyls, copy of a little sort of program thingy, black and white. It's a nice reproduction. There's then a really nice book. Back of the box, but full colour. I don't think it is the programme, but I think it's they've just used the information from the tour programme for the credits. But a beautiful thing, really nicely made. Crease it. So there's that, and then there's the nice fold out poster. And then just show you the inside of the box when it's empty. So it's a really lovely made thing, lovely put together. So just have a look at the vinyls. So 7-inch, which is from the LA show. It's gonna be me, Cracked Actor, and all the young dudes of the tracks. It's sort of a dark purple colour. So first LP, record 1, San Diego, front, back, the vinyl's really attractive, deep blue with dark red marbling and blotching. Very nice. And I've copied the old Rosado label. I make reference to Hejo on Mexico, which I think was the title of Elton John Rosado boot. So the second one, again San Diego. This is absolutely gorgeous. This vivid green with deep orangey red. Really gorgeous, that. And then the third one is the LA. This one was really nice again. Marbled orange and yellow. So for a coloured vinyl collector, it's definitely one to have. It's material that's not been out before. Quality is not brilliant, but it's okay. A great period. Just really nicely packaged. Okay. So the next one to have a look at is a Stones title. We're back to Zero. This is an original boot from the 80s, 1988. Dirty Work session tracks with special guests, Bobby Womack, Sly Stone. German guys bringing these out. So we've seen this label before. So the first disc is absolutely lovely. It's kind of a mottled pale green with some reds, lighter greens, greys. Interesting but subtle effect. I really like that. Some bits of red and all sorts going on. So that's disc 1. And the second one is even more gorgeous. Nice dusty pink with reds, blacks, whites, yellows, bits of green, thrown little bits of different colours in. So really, really nice for me. I don't think I've got the Dirty Tracks sessions on another vinyl. So that's the Stones. Right. This is a Yes LP, which I've got 2 copies of already. This is the version I've been after for a while. So it's Boston Gardens and Rainbow 73, Boston Gardens 74, Patrick Moraz FM. But this is the extremely hard to find multicoloured version. There's a sort of dull marbled version which I've got, and obviously the standard black vinyl. But these were made in very small quantities, these splatters. 100 of that. So yeah, delighted to finally get that for my Yes collection. If I can find it. I also recently got the first pressing of In the Round, which I used to have and sold many years ago for some reason because I decided to keep the other one, but this is the first pressing, and that was the repress, which is nice, but you need to have them both really. So yeah, so then the next one is Floyd title, and it's Pompeii, Anno Domini. What the correct full title of this particular album is, it says Anno Domini MCMLXX1 DC. But it's basically double album, gatefold sleeve, and as you can probably see from the what is a fake Bowie strip, it's not Japanese thing at all, it's got a 3D pop-up sleeve. So I'll try and show you that, which means I've got to break the seal, but you have to do that anyway. So, first thing to do is very carefully slide the OB off without damaging it. So, lift it up that way, and you've got quite an amazing .3D design. And there's a bit of paper inside it, which it's got a nice silver thing in the middle. This product has been completely handmade by expert hands of artisans, made in Italy. Excellent. Thanks for choosing Epica. Think different. So there's no number or anything on it. It's supposed to be limited to 400, but my copy doesn't have any number on it. There are some splatter vinyl versions. Mine is it's just a marbled red vinyl. So whether there's 400 of each, very clear. So both the discs look the same, so I don't need to show you them. But it's a remarkable thing in terms of the cover. So see them, just faintly marbled, and it's dark red. So if you're into your packaging, presentation, and certainly one that you want to get, I showed you this last time, won't bother getting it out. It's black and white marble vinyl, but it's the Bruce Wild Sessions, 4th of July Wild Sessions. Okay, so this is part 2 of this little video. Been joined by Bertie, but just to show you the other few things that I've had. So we have the Pink Floyd, The Man and the Journey. I showed you this just briefly. It's the gold vinyl version, 300 copies, 5 LPs, number 44, for 300 made. So really nice collection of early stuff. It's Royal Festival Hall, London, 14th April 69, and Royal Albert Hall, London, 26th June 69. So yeah, you know what those are like. I won't bother getting that out. The other one I had recently was a Bruce set, which is called Summer 85. It's 4 picture discs, but it's not from an 85 show, it's from Wembley 81. These came out in 1985. So it's basically 4 picture discs, plastic thingamabob. So they all just slide out of there. A bit tight, but that's a strange kind of wavy water thing with a heavy red sticker on there. So it's effectively the Born to Be the Boss release over 4 picture discs. So first one's colour, picture of Bruce, and the others are black and white. So I think it's the whole show over 4 discs. Each disc has the track listing on it. So yes, Wembley Arena, 5th June 81, Holston Team Records. They brought out the original standard version. So yeah, quite a limited thing, very nice to have. That's basically it for the moment. We've got new Floyd 77 triple coming through on Casino, should be here in a week's time. Hopefully nice vinyls on it. Complete Animal Show, I think unreleased previously. So yeah, hope you enjoyed a quick look at some of my newies, and we'll see you again for the next time.